Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to introduce you with the project Klever, the best all-in-one cryptocurrency wallet with over 1 million downloads so far, and this is really cool. I discovered this project on the trending on CoinGecko. So just before to keep going with all the features available for this wallet, cryptocurrency wallet, I want you to take a couple of action for this outstanding channel, Crypto and Coffee. I want you, the first one is subscribe. Psh, psh. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about Klever wallet or other wallet you want me to cover on this channel. Go for it. As well, press the bell notification bell, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday, 5 times a week with great content of value. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. Just before to keep going, I need to take some coffee. I really love the design, very beautiful design. I love the way the smartphone is positioning on this picture. It's pretty cool. So basically, it's the best all-in-one cryptocurrency wallet. Klever wallet is the perfect choice to buy and trade the world's major cryptocurrencies securely, like BTC, ETH, Tron, EXP, and LTC. So download Klever wallet to buy crypto with a credit card. Start your investment in cryptocurrencies by buying directly in the app with a credit card. At the convenience, pick, I buy it. Swap your crypto instantly. Download the Klever wallet too. Trade your currency directly in the app. No registration, no KYC, no selfie. Receive reward back from your friends' swap fees. Download Klever wallet to use your favorite the app. This is really cool. A complete browser in your hands to access your favorite blockchain projects, fully compatible with Ethereum and Tron blockchains. Why Klever wallet is your best choice? I need to take some coffee before moving on, because this is really interesting to discover great potential technology, great wallet and stuff like that. So at high level, my friend, look at that. Complete, safe, and easy to use. 24 hours 7 support. Support is one of our great highlights. We have a global and world-class services team. Peer-to-peer. Klever is a decentralized peer-to-peer and self-custody wallet network. You keys your crypto. Military encryption. Klever utilize the latest military grade technology for encryption. In 30 languages and 190 plus country. Global presence with custom localization. Configure the languages and base currency of your portfolio for an ideal and local experience. So beautiful designing. People seem very happy, but just as this marketing, but the web page is well designed. So user friendly and smooth. What our clients say, user friendly and smooth. So that's mean we can presume that it's very easy to use. Frequently asked question: what is Klever? What should you use a crypto wallet? How to buy crypto with credit or debit card using Klever app? Everything will be well explained. I take your time to dig into your own if you're interested in this project. Download Klever wallet for Android and iPhone. So they are present on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and LinkedIn. So let's go jump to another great section about this project, or this multiple wallet. So I'm sorry about it. So the assets, the best multi-crypto wallet in the market, probably one of the best. The world's top blockchain and more than 10,000 crypto assets supported. 10,000 crypto supported in one app. This is really cool. Smart and secure crypto wallet for Bitcoin, Tron, Ethereum, Binance, Litecoin, USD, stablecoin USDT, and other top cryptocurrency asset and growing. There's still a lot of room for additions. All the function in the palm of your hand, my friend. All in your hand. This is really cool. Store, trade, track prices, and buy cryptocurrencies in a secure wallet. Stake and earn. Freeze your coins and earn hourly interest. Instant swap. Trade currencies simply and quickly. The app browser. Access a multiple of decentralized services through the browser. Pretty cool. A safe and very easy to use wallet for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, Tron, Digibyte, and much more, and many more. What are the next one on the list? Our team is already working on adding new markets that should be supported in the portfolio soon. Binance Smart Chain, EOS, VeChain, Cardano, Polkadot, Syscoin, and Stellar. So Frank asked question: what crypto account can I add to the wallet? Can new coin be added? Which Tron and ETH token are available in the wallet? Which is a Klever stablecoin? What is a Klever stablecoin? Or to add a token, what is not appearing in the wallet? So I invite you to read on your own. Let's go jump to another great section about this wallet. The browser. So this is a great feature, so you can access the app integrated in the browser and the wallet. This is really cool. Access your favorite the app directly in the wallet. Klever Wallets the app browser is a simple and secure integration interface between your favorite the app and your blockchain account. Our the app browser is currently compatible with the app from the Tron and Ethereum blockchains. Play, trade, invest, collect, and receive reward using the apps. The essential world of finance and other emerging services on the blockchain are available to you at the push of the button. Games, exchange, collectibles, rewards, DeFi, loans, travel, crowdfunding. Frequently asked question: what is a DApp? Does the browser access any type of website? How the DApp accesses through the wallet from Klever. And download the Klever wallet now, available for Android and Apple. So let's go jump to another great sections. They have the everyone can trade crypto. They have the Klever exchange integrated into the ecosystem. So we can presume that you can trade directly from the smartphone application. This is really cool. I'm going to read that part here. Klever Exchange offers a simple and intuitive interface where anyone can trade the cryptos with a very low rate at minimum limits. This is really cool. They are present on Yahoo Finance, You Today, News Supra. The best experience for crypto trades. Low fees, easy to use, 24/7 support. I invite you to read on your own. I'm just going to read just to understand what what's mean low fees. Trade with low fees at the lowest deposit limits. On Klever Exchange, you can start trading with just $5. Easy to use. Are you a beginner in cryptocurrency? No matter your experience levels, you will be able to trade with easy. Support is one of the our great highlights. We have a global and world-class services team. This is really cool. They have a nice video here. I invite you to check on your home. Trading is difficult, but it shouldn't be. Klever Exchange was born to become a home to users who are completely new to crypto trading by providing a simple user experience while enabling reliability and useful features to experiences trader through market lending speed, ironclad security, market makers opportunities, and low fees. What are you say? Great looking app. Definitely nailed the goal of making an exchange with an easy to use. This is really cool. Frequency exchange. Do I need know your customer to trade on the exchange? Yes. What trading option will be available on the exchange? Spot trade. I invite you to check on yourself. When will the iOS will be releasing? We are already working on the latest iOS. So you check it to check the latest frequency hash question. You can learn more about specific area of the core business or technology they provide to the world. Cryptocurrency are complicated, but it shouldn't be. Klever Bank, the bank that simplifies cryptocurrency. Join our waiting list and be part of this revolution. This is great. Your bank account integrated with the cryptocurrency exchange, the easiest and fastest way to invest in crypto. Pay your bill and make transfer using cryptocurrency. You choose whether to use your crypto balance or not in your bank transactions. So I hope you really enjoyed the small introduction about Klever cryptocurrency wallet. I hope I discovered a great thing, well-designed website, it's cool. So just before to close this beautiful episode about Klever, I want you to take a couple of actions for this great channel. The first one is subscribe. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Leave a nice comment below about Klever or other wallet you want me to cover on this channel. Go for it. Leave a nice comment below. Press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday, 5 episodes a week. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the stress school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. Thank you so much if you have watched it until now. So see you on the next episode and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao.